Welcome to the Slate Roofing School. My name is Andrew McKinney. I am a roofing contractor. I have been roofing only from natural slate for 10 years. Behind me is our completed object that we recently completed. This is a modern barn house that we dressed in such an elegant suit of old German slating. This craft has come to us since the Middle Ages, when mankind began to build wooden and stone houses. Roofing material people mined simply from the earth. At the construction site, roofers received shapeless fragments of slates of various sizes, which they split into plates. They made tiles of different sizes and thicknesses. When starting work, they first used larger tiles. Therefore, we have higher rows on the ledge here. And as the laying of large stones ended, and there were stones of a slightly smaller size. Therefore, further they laid stones of medium size. And when they reached the very end, they used already very small stones, all that was left. Today, everything has changed, factories of roofing materials have appeared, and rectangular slate comes to the construction site. Now I will show it to you. Slate in this form comes to us, which we already specially stylize under that ancient European method of work. We cut with a guillotine into two slightly different parts, at an angle. And already with the help of the same tools as before, we get just such a form. This is how every tile on this roof was processed. This craft is now going through hard times, even at home in Germany. As a result of the Industrial Revolution, the machine method replaced the Artel manual method of work. The format of the tiles has greatly increased, and the scale of the stones is a thing of the past. Now the tiles are hewn on machines, and because of this, all authenticity has already completely disappeared. Old German slating was replaced by primitive slating techniques such as Bogenschnitt or shoe pen. There all the stones are the same, almost square, the size has almost doubled. The German architect Konrad Hildenbrandt writes about this. The author says that the craft is dying. The industrial production of materials has a devastating effect on the traditional authentic slate laying technique. This is how the original old German slating should look like in close-up. You see the width of the stones is different, manual chipping on the stone. That is, each stone is processed manually. It is in our power not to let the craft die. Also make good money on it. You can use it right now for a special client who appreciates original genuine things, and is ready to pay for it. We will help you understand exclusive techniques. You can start offering it in your market right now. Perhaps tomorrow a client will knock on your door who needs something very unusual. Such customers do not ask for a discount. On this side of the roof, we made 3 beautiful dormer windows that smoothly flow into the roof with the help of the so-called Swanglos eingebunden. Each row from the window smoothly passes into a row on the roof. Look, this is so-called Anfangort, a special stone from which the row begins. And each of these rows harmoniously passes from the window to the roof. And all these lines are also harmoniously with a smooth line smoothly passed to the roof. This is the real old German slating, when the rows flow harmoniously and nothing falls out of the overall picture. Old German slating is an art combined with heavy manual work. You don't have to do it yourself. If you train your roofers, including new guys, to work effectively together in their own place, then your projects will close easily and quickly. When you see the end result, you will understand that all this was not in vain. Now I will show you how it looks from the outside, and you will see that this barn house has become more like St. Patrick's Cathedral than a modern house. These 3 dormers really changed the character of the house. And this ordinary barn house began to look completely out of the ordinary. Join Slate Roofing School. Follow the link below and get 3 lessons in old German slating right now.